Hey y'all, so today I'm going to put y'all on to one of my new wash day essentials. As of right now, I'm ashamed to say I'm currently working on day 13 hair. So I have not washed my hair in 13 days, hence why it's so tangled, matted, and just dry. So y'all already know the first thing I had to do was shampoo my hair. Now that I've done that, I'm gonna begin the detangling process. So this is where I put y'all on. Today I'm using Tangle Teezer's new naturally curly hairbrush. And as you guys can see, the teeth have the perfect balance of flexibility while still being really firm to make sure that I'm thorough when detangling my hair. You guys already know I start from my ends and work my way up to my roots, and the brush is literally just gliding through my hair. If you didn't already know, I have really dense type 4 hair with a bunch of different textures all over, and it can be a mission finding a brush that can thoroughly detangle my hair without causing any breakage, which is why I love this brush. Not to mention how well it smooths my hair and clumps my curls. I'm so here for it, y'all. And considering it's been a whole 2 weeks since I've washed my hair, that's a normal amount of shedding. Here are my results after styling my hair. In conclusion, y'all need this brush.